Okay, we're looking at problem set 4, number 1, and the question was about the difference quotient and the product. All right, so this was, in the discussion board. So we start off and we want to find the difference, and you have committed cardinal sin number 1. That is not the same as the question. It should have a 5x, right? So your question is x squared plus 5x minus the 4 minus x squared. Okay? Now you are right, you should distribute the negative in there. That's going to give you minus 4 plus x squared. Okay? And then when you combine your like terms, we got the 2x squared here and here. And then the 5x doesn't have anything to combine it with, so that's just going to be 5x, and we'll have the minus 4. Now with the product, you've taken all of the right steps, so you clearly know how to do the problem. The question is, do you know how to copy a problem down? All right, that's an easy mistake to make, so be cautious. Yeah, we're going to distribute things. We're going to take the x squared times that. That's going to be 4x squared. Then the x squared times that. It's going to be a negative x to the 4th. Then we'll take the second term, and the 5x, and we'll multiply that through. So 5x times 4 is going to be a positive 20x. Then 5x times that is going to be a negative 5x cubed. And then when we combine all of our like terms, what are we going to have? Negative x to the 4th. There's no other. In fact, we don't have any like terms, do we? So I'm just going to write it in descending order. Not that you have to, okay? I just do. Let's see, and then the quotients. When we're dealing with a quotient here, we're going to have x squared plus 5x over 4 minus x squared. Now, when you're trying to simplify, you want to see how it factors. Okay, so this is going to be x times x plus 5. Imagine distributing that x back through. You're going to get the same thing, right? You want to write things as a product, not as a sum. Okay? And I'll expand on yours here in just a second. And then this actually is a difference of 2 squares, so that's going to be 2 minus x and 2 plus x. What we're looking for are any of the factors in the top and bottom the same. So can we cancel out anything that's a common factor? And the answer is no, we can't. Can't reduce it, so your answer is just x squared plus 5x over 4 minus x squared. Now yours, Sean, when you wrote that top, x squared plus 4 plus 1, and then the bottom, you did this. There are 2 mistakes in here. Okay. One, when you factor that negative out, this would have been a negative 4. Okay. 2, even if that were the same, you cannot take this and cancel out with this, because in the numerator, that's not a factor. You can only cancel out things that are being multiplied by something else. That's being added to the 1. Okay? So since you're adding it to something, not a factor, you can't cancel it. So I hope this helps. Have a wonderful day.